Hello guys, welcome back to Neeti Tech, your go-to channel for AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. This is the 9th video of our series in which we will cover a set of questions on domain, billing, pricing and support. Before moving on, if you would like to test these questions, please scan the QR code which will be displayed at the end of the video or click on the link mentioned in the description box. Let's start with the first question. A company needs to graphically visualize AWS billing and usage over time. The company also needs information about its AWS monthly cost. Which AWS billing and cost management tool provides this data in a graphical format? Options are A. AWS Bills, B. Cost Explorer, C. AWS Cost and Usage Report, and D. AWS Budgets. Now, both Cost Explorer and Cost Usage Reports are used for the same purpose. The main difference is Cost Explorer gives graphical representation. So, the correct answer is B. Cost Explorer. Moving on to the next question. A company is preparing to launch a new web store that is expected to receive high traffic for an upcoming event. The web store runs only on AWS and the company has an AWS Enterprise Support Plan. Which AWS resource will provide guidance about how the company should scale its architecture and operational support during the event? Options are A. AWS Abuse Team, B. The designated AWS Technical Account Manager, C. AWS Infrastructure Event Management, and option D. AWS Professional Services. Here, the correct answer is C. AWS Infrastructure Event Management. It offers architecture and scaling guidance and operational support during the preparation and execution of planned events such as shopping holidays, product launches, and migrations. So, the correct answer is C. Here is the next question. A company that has multiple business units wants to centrally manage and govern its AWS cloud environments. The company wants to automate the creation of AWS accounts, apply service control policies, and simplify billing processes. Which AWS service or tool should the company use to meet these requirements? Options are A. AWS Organizations, B. Cost Explorer, C. AWS Budgets, and D. Trusted Advisor. Here, the correct answer is A. AWS Organizations. It is a service that enables you to consolidate multiple accounts into a single organization that you can create and centrally manage. It also includes account management, consolidated billing capabilities that enables you to better meet the budgetary, security, and compliance needs of your business. So, the correct answer is A. AWS Organizations. Moving on to the next question. Service control policies manage permissions for which of the following? Options are A. Availability zones, B. AWS regions, C. AWS organizations, and D. Edge locations. Here, the correct answer is C. AWS organizations. Service control policies are the type of organization policies that you can use to manage permissions in your organization. Here is the next question. A company has several departments. Each department has its own AWS account for its applications. The company wants all the AWS cost on a single invoice to simplify payment, but the company wants to know the cost that each department is incurring. Which AWS tool or feature will provide this functionality? Options are A. AWS Cost and Usage Report, B. Consolidated Billing, C. Savings Plan, and D. AWS Budgets. The correct answer here is B. Consolidated Billing. It is a feature of AWS organizations that allows you to consolidate the billing of multiple AWS accounts under a single payer account. With consolidated billing, you receive a single invoice for all the accounts linked to the organization. So the correct answer is B. Consolidated billing. Moving on to the next question. A company runs its workload on premises. The company wants to forecast the cost of running a large application on AWS. Which AWS service or tool can the company use to obtain this information? Options are A. AWS Pricing Calculator, B. AWS Budgets, C. AWS Trusted Advisor, and D. Cost Explorer. Here, the correct answer is A. Pricing Calculator. A company runs its workload on-premise, which means there is no existing data for Cost Explorer to forecast. So, it should be A. Pricing Calculator. Here is the next question. A company has a workload that will run continuously for 1 year. The workload cannot tolerate service interruptions. Which Amazon EC2 purchasing options will be most cost effective? Options are A. All upfront reserved instances, B. Partial upfront reserved instances, C. Dedicated instances, and D. On-demand instances. The correct answer here is A. All upfront reserved instances. With all upfront option, you pay the entire reserved instance term with one upfront payment. This option provides you with the largest discount compared to on-demand instance pricing. So the correct option is A. All upfront reserved instances. Here is the next question. Which AWS service or tool helps to centrally manage billing and allow controlled access to resource across AWS accounts? Options are A. AWS Identity and Access Management, B. AWS Organizations, C. Cost Explorer, and D. AWS Budgets. Correct answer here is B. AWS Organizations. It is a service that helps centrally manage billing and allow controlled access to the resource across multiple AWS accounts. So, the correct answer is B. AWS Organizations. Here is the next question. What does the AWS Concierge Support Team provide? Options are A. Technical expertise dedicated to the user, B. Primary point of contact for AWS billing and support, C. A partner to help provide scaling guidance for an event launch, and D. A dedicated AWS staff member who reviews the user application architecture. Correct answer here is B. The support concierge team are AWS billing and account experts that specialize in working with enterprise accounts. Moving on to the next question. A company needs to generate reports that can break down cloud cost by products by company-defined tags and by hour, day, and month. Which AWS tool should the company use to meet these requirements? Options are A. Reserved instance utilization and coverage reports, B. Saving plan utilization report, C. AWS budgets report, and D. AWS cost and usage report. The correct answer here is D. AWS cost and usage report. It tracks your AWS usage and provides estimated charges associated with your account. Each report contains line items for each unique combination of AWS products, usage type, operation that you use in your AWS account. You can customize the AWS cost and usage report to aggregate the information either by hour, day, or month. So the correct answer here is D. AWS cost and usage reports. So guys, that's it for today's videos. Please scan the QR code to try out these questions. If you want us to cover any specific question, please mention the same in the comment section. We will definitely try to cover up in our upcoming videos. Also stay tuned on this channel where we will soon cover explanation on services to prepare for your Cloud Practitioner exam. Please do share this video with your friends and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.